Alrighty, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are working on our tool that we just built. Let's turn it into a flashlight. So let's insert an object, a script. Now, I don't know if this needs to be a local script or if it can be a server script. In this case, we're going to use a local script. We're going to say local tool equals script, not parent. And we're going to say tool we could say activated, but I like equipped. All right, connect function, and that way, and we can say player. We'll get the name of the player. All right, then it's going to fire when the tool is equipped, and then we also need to fire when the tool is unequipped. Why is that? Because if we turn the flashlight on and then we put it back into our backpack, it is going to show that the flashlight is still on. So what are we going to do? Let's insert inside this part here. We're going to insert an object. Let's get a light. Let's get a spotlight. And we need to change it to the right side. Yes, we do. And we will say enabled false. So we will say when you equip it. Oh, well, sure. We'll say script.parent .part. All right, dot material equals material, really? Dot new, no, equals script parent dot material. Yeah, there we go, perfect. Neon. Okay, so when we equip it, it'll go neon, and then of course when we unequip it, which we might not be able to see, is going to be, we'll just turn it to glass. And then the last thing we want to do is we want to say tool. Dot activated. All right, so that means when we click, when we have the tool in our hand and then we click the mouse button, what is it going to do? It is going to, we need to say function in here. We shall say script.parent.part .spotlight enabled equals true. All right, and we will say if, let's do this, if it is already, no, we'll say if this equals false, then make it true. Oh my goodness, this is not working out. And we want to say else. And we just want to do that and that. All right, let's see if that works. So when we activate the tool, when we equip the tool, the yellow should turn neon. Aha, which did. And then there's our light. You can see it. All right, look at that. We've made a flashlight. Excellent. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I will see you all in the next video.